This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com, and in this video I'm going to go over whether you should purchase a cordless robotic pool cleaner or a robotic pool cleaner with the cord. So I've probably reviewed over 80 different robotic pool cleaners over the years, and in the last couple of years I've reviewed about 15 of the cordless cleaners. And now I consider myself somewhat of an expert since I've used so many and tested so many of these robotic pool cleaners. And I've been testing most of these robots over the course of the last 10 years. There's of course been an explosion of cordless robotic pool cleaners, and basically the cordless robotic pool cleaner works off of a lithium-ion battery, and there is no cord tethering it to a power center that's plugged in. Of course, the first thing you'll notice with the cordless cleaner is that it's a very clean look in your pool. There's no cord on the surface. They're also somewhat more compact since there's no cord or power unit with the cleaner. And I think if you're looking for a cleaner that's similar to a corded one in regards to having a storage and transport caddy, the Polaris Freedom Plus would be one to look at. They're also very easy to use, and there's not a lot of programming that goes with the cordless cleaner. And a few do have a very short weekly cleaning cycle if you want that option. Because there's no cord, these are great if you have a solar power surface cleaner in your pool. They're also really good at cleaning the pool. Not every model is the same, of course, but some of the models that I've tested have cleaned the pool just as well as a corded cleaner. They're a little on the heavy side because of the lithium-ion battery, and this is something to consider. And of course, some models like the Polaris Freedom or Freedom Plus have the lift system included, which is a patented system that evacuates all the water out of the cleaner when you remove it from the pool, making it light and easy to retrieve. Because these cleaners run off of a lithium-ion battery, the runtime is shorter than a corded cleaner. You can get 1.5 hours and up to 3 hours of cleaning time with the current models on the market at this time. There's also a charge time with these cleaners, and it can be anywhere from 3 to 6 hours depending on the model of the cordless cleaner. Some things that fall into a neutral category is the technology used by these cordless cleaners, and these are not unproven cleaners. For example, the Polaris Freedom is based on the corded Epic model, so not all cordless cleaners fall into the new tech category. The power of the corded cleaner versus the cordless cleaner is about the same in my testing, and I didn't really notice any big drop off in power using a cordless cleaner versus a corded robotic pool cleaner. Some of the advantages of a corded cleaner is that you can of course run the cleaner for a longer cleaning cycle. Since you plug it in and have a power unit, you can run one cycle after another with the corded cleaner without having to recharge it. Since of course the cleaner is tethered by the cord, it'll have communication with the power center, and you can program a real weekly cleaning cycle into the cleaner where it will clean the pool for 3 hours. And so if you have a pool where you want to have the cleaner working in it pretty much continuously during the week, the corded cleaner would be a much better option. The cordless cleaners have a shorter runtime, and these are designed mainly for small to medium pools. So if you have a large pool, 20,000 gallons or above, the corded cleaner would be a better choice because you would need a longer cleaning cycle than the current cordless cleaners on the market can provide. Of course, the corded cleaners can be made more powerful since you're running off of an outside power source that's plugged in. This means that you can have some cleaners that would be good for commercial sized pools. Basically, if you have a large pool, the corded cleaner would be a better choice. And if you wanted to run your pool on a true weekly cycle, you would go with a corded cleaner. And the corded cleaner is of course lighter since there's no lithium-ion battery inside the cleaner itself. And as far as reliability, the corded cleaners have been around for a long time and many people can repair them. And since the cordless cleaners are relatively new, you may not be able to repair them as easily, and you also have to verify the warranty on a lithium-ion battery. Ultimately, the cordless robotic pool cleaner is a solid choice for some pool owners with a small to medium pool who don't mind the inconvenience of having to recharge the cleaner. And the corded cleaner, of course, is something that's been around since the 1980s, and I think the corded cleaner does have some advantages over a cordless robotic pool cleaner. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.